Alright, dear brothers and sisters, this is Tawhid here today, and I hope you're passing really good time. Alhamdulillah, I'm passing great time. Today in this video, I would love to share with you some of the very important things that might be helpful for you. So let's get straight. I know very well you're very excited to watch my video, right? I'm very happy for that. You're watching my video at the moment, right? Dear brothers and sisters, just show your courage. Just show your confidence. That will be enough for your journey. It doesn't matter how many words you have learned. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how many words have you learned today. It doesn't matter. You have to speak confidently. But I've seen many students and many people, when they are trying to speak or when they are make a conversation with someone, they are getting stuck. Also, they don't want to make this conversation more longer because their confidence level is very low. So what can you do? What should you do? You're very welcome, my dear brother, sister. I know very well still you're watching my video. Please watch the full video. You will benefit it, inshallah. So today I want to make you understand a thing that might be helpful for you. Just try to show your confidence level. It doesn't matter how many mistakes have you done today. It doesn't matter how many mistakes you are making now. Can you imagine? Every native speaker makes mistakes. Every single day they are making mistakes. The problem is you are thinking English is a subject. English is a subject. If I start to learn, if I learn English, I have to start from grammar. I have to memorize some words and thousands of words, and I have to study hard to learn English. This is your first mistake that you are making now. So stop doing this mistake, bro. You have to believe in yourself and you have to think English is an international language. English is a language. It's used for communication. Just share your opinion with others. You can learn English and you can make a beautiful conversation with someone. I mean, with foreigners. So, dear brother, sister, English is a language. It's not a subject. And you have to think, or you have to think like this, and you have to change your belief system. This is all about our belief system that we are believing. We are believing every single day. I hope you got my message. Thank you very much and have a good day. And if you really like my video, please share with your friends, with your family, so that I can get benefit from your support. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a good day.